Hi everyone, I'm Sharada Mani, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce. Today we discussed about types of share capital in corporate law. Okay, let's see. Before that, what is share capital? Share capital is the money of a company rising by selling ownership shares to investors, forming its financial backbone for operations and growth without incurring debit representing the funds from shareholders for long-term investment. It is the marketplace and including only the nominal value from shares issued, not premiums. It appeared as equity on the balance sheet and significance the shareholders claim on the assets and after the liability met. They have some key aspects, that is source funds, propose accounting treatment, and construct with market cap and legal nature. Okay, let's see. There are five types of capital shares are there. The first one is authorized share capital. It means it is the total capital that company accept its investors by issuing shares which are mentioned in the official document of the company. It is called a registered capital or nominal capital, because with this capital a company is registered. According to section 2 of 8 of the Companies Act 2013, the limit of the authorized capital is given under the capital case of the Memorandum of Association. And that is known as authorized share equal to issued share plus unissued share. The next one is issued share capital. Issued share capital is the part of authorized share capital that is issued to the public for subscription, and this act as a act of issuing shares is called issuance, allocations, or allotment. It is the simple way you can say that issued share capital is the subset of the authorized share capital. After the allotment of the shares, a subscribed becomes the shareholders. That is, issued capital equal to subscribed plus unsubscribed capital. Okay. The next type is subscribed capital. Subscribed capital is the part of issued capital which has been taken off by the public. It is mandatory that the issued capital is fully subscribed to by a public. It is a part of the issued capital for which the application has been received by the company. Okay, let us see by the example. If a company offers 16,000 shares of 100 rupees, 100 rupees, and the public applies for 12,000 shares, then the issue capital would be 16 lakh and the subscribed capital will be 12 lakh. Okay. The next one is called up capital. Called up capital is the part of the subscribed capital which includes the amount paid by the shareholders. The company does not receive the entire amount of the capital at once. It calls upon the part of the subscribed capital when need in installment. The remaining part of the subscribed capital is called uncalled capital. Okay. The next one is paid up capital. The part of called capital which is paid by the shareholders is called paid up capital. It is not mandatory that the amount called by the company is paid by the shareholder. The shareholder may pay half of the amount called up capital, which is called reserved capital. Okay, as the name reserve means to keep some amount to the treasury of the company. The Companies Amendment Act 2015 has amended this minimum required for the paid up capital is required in the company. Okay, for example, or a company can be done with even 1,000 as a company's paid up capital. The paid up capital shall always be less than or it can be equal to the authorized share capital at the any point. Okay. Company issues shares to the public in order to raise capital or the finance their business operations, expand the business, and meet other financial needs. After the acceptance of shares by the company, the applicant becomes shareholders in the company and they get the voting right on the matter of the corporate policies. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching.